Welcome back. Continuing the news. Residents of Whitehall in Westmoreland are still outraged after one of their own, a 13-year-old girl, was brutally attacked. The teen was attacked by a bike taxi operator after she refused his sexual advances. The man inflicted several chop wounds on the teen, leaving her battling for life in hospital. Kimberly Petty reports.
Blood stains in the form of a handprint on the door of the house where the teen was attacked paint the grim picture of what transpired Monday afternoon. Residents told TVJ News that they were alerted by screams coming from the one-bedroom structure, but what they saw later will forever be etched in their memory. A young girl bloodied and bruised as she cried out for help. We spoke to this resident who lives close by. He said prior to the incident, he was at a shop in the community when the suspect came in and bought something, then left.
Me the bike a pearl and I come, then reach on the bridge. When you reach on the bridge, me look at them like this. Me see the girl sit down, well on the bike, with a knapsack back on her back. And the bike ride on the bridge, go over the yard.
He said he did not make anything of it, but then moments later,
me a whoa, sir. Me say, what that? What that? So me open the door and go out. Let me go out now and look. Cross there, so me look, me see the boy have a machete. You see when me go down there and me look so. Lord have mercy, God. Me nearly faint. Me just recognize my hand. Me see the girl hand turn over. So the first thing me see hand turn over. So me say, Jesus Christ. Me feel cut up, because it happened to me, It happened to me.
According to the police, the teen and the suspect arrived at his home on a motorcycle, but that whilst inside, an argument developed which subsequently became physical, during which the suspect used a machete to inflict several wounds on the teen's body. He then made good his escape, but was later apprehended by the lawmen. This other resident who spoke to us off camera bemoans what happened to the teen.
I just feel kind of scared and afraid that him. I not go over there for the man have a big machete. He's not a human being, he's a very cruel man. Very cruel.
Meanwhile, the teen's brother says the family is struggling to cope.
The family is taking it quite rough, We handle the situation, but we are going through a rough time right now, same way.
As it relates to her current condition,
right now she in a stable condition, but she still fight to come back same way.
But this resident is questioning why the teen was in the company of the man in the first place.
It hurt every string in me. Every string. Because me look at the parents and say,
Charges are yet to be laid on the suspect. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.